Do you like swaddling? You don't know? Okay.
We can go if you wanna go anywhere. I'll take you there.
Okay, so I wanted to put it up that way, but that's not the way that you're supposed to do it. So it's supposed to go the other way, so we're gonna try again. Okay. We're gonna try again. So that took us about an hour because we should have read the instructions first. But here's a quick overview of what it looks like when it's finished. The reasons I bought this were that it is a 2-in-1 bath and change table. It's just way more convenient, practical, versatile, and I also save money because it's a bath and a change table in one, which means that I don't have to waste money on getting an extra baby bath for the babe. The second reason is that it has wheels, which I love, portable anywhere, so that's a pretty good thing. And then the third thing is that it's made of plastic, so it's ridiculously easy to clean, and it's also lightweight so that it's not like harsh on the body if you're moving it around. It's got lots of storage, which is reason number 4 why I bought it. And number 5, it was just really easy to put together after we read the instructions. It probably would have taken us about half an hour with reading the instructions. So that is the 5 main reasons why I bought this. Now to the tour. So on this side is where there's a net. This came with all the little pieces in it for the change table, but now you can use it as like a toy storage or to store this little hose in, which is a drainage system, which is pretty good. So the change table is padded, and then it's just wrapped in like this canvas, which is really easy to clean. One of the things that definitely appealed to me. And it's got a safety strap here to strap Bub in so that he or she does not roll around, and then it's easily adjustable as well. Loads of storage. I just decided to start filling it up a little bit. So it's got 4 pockets here, and then it's got 3 trays down there, which you can also move around, or if you don't want the trays there, you can take them out. And then on the bottom, it's just got a shelf here. So I'm gonna store all of baby's like shampoo and nappy cream and all that kind of thing on the top here. I've already got some wash and shampoo gel and some baby lotion. In the second one, I've just got this little self-care baby set that I got from my friend Kat. If you're watching, thank you so much. I've only got a few towels, I've got to get some more. And then I put some little singlets in here. And then I got a whole bunch of these water wipes. They are 99% water and 1% fruit extract and chemical free, which I'm so happy about. And I got them off Catch of the Day, which it's an online store. They really didn't cost that much because I bought them in bulk. Then I've got some newborn Huggies nappies here. And then just here I've got some swaddles which I purchased from a store in town. And then this side is pretty bleak. Pretty bleak. But I will show you, if you wanted to change it into a bathtub, which I'll do in a second, you actually take these out. And that enables this to flip up. And also, here are the wheels. You can lock them, which is another great safety thing. They move around really, really well. quick tip: when you're pulling out the change table, make sure that it's got a little gap in the wall. This is just so that the change table can come out and actually tuck into the side and not jam up against a wall. This is a quick overview of the bathtub. Pretty simple stuff. It came with a plug, which I like to keep in here. And this is the draining hose. So it actually attaches down the bottom, which I'll show you, and then all the water can get drained out easily this way into a bucket. And then that means that it's just an easy job for everyone. I'm just gonna pop it back on now. It's got this little lift tab here, and it's so easy. You can just pull it up with one hand and then close it up. And then obviously you'd want to do up these buttons again for safety. And that's about it. Okay, well, that was the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. You're an adult. And the next video is going to be a minimalist one, so I hope that you enjoy that too. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.